Here's an equation from an earlier lesson. 3 plus n is equal to 9. Because of the variable n, this equation is called an open sentence. And the number that makes this a true equation is 6. So we say that 6 is a solution to this equation, and we often write it as n is equal to 6. When we write it, n is equal to 6, that's also an equation. It's much shorter and simpler than the first one, but in both cases, the correct number for n is 6. So we say that the two equations above are equivalent equations. And the variable is often called an unknown. Well, some open sentences are called inequalities. And there's 5 symbols that we use for inequalities, and here they are. Is less than, is greater than, is less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to, and is not equal to. We'll start with the is less than symbol. We write 3 plus n is less than 9. 5 is a solution because 3 plus 5 is 8, and 8 is less than 9. But 0 is also a solution because 3 plus 0 is 3, and 3 is less than 9. 42 is not a solution because 3 plus 42 is 45, and 45 is greater than 9, not less than 9. And 6 is not a solution. 3 plus 6 is exactly 9. But since this inequality is looking for numbers that are less than 9, 3 plus 6 would make 9 less than 9, which is not true. A number is not less than itself. Inequalities may have infinite solutions, and this one does. Any number less than 6 is a solution, so we write n is less than 6. We reverse the sense of the inequality, and now our inequality reads 3 plus n is greater than 9. Any number greater than 6 is a solution, so we write n is greater than 6. Here's 3 plus n is less than or equal to 9. We've added the little bottom half of an equal sign to our less than symbol, and it's read is less than or equal to. So it's looking for two things. It's looking for the set of numbers that makes 3 plus n less than 9, and it's also looking for the set of numbers that makes 3 plus n equal to 9. Well, we know there's only one such number that makes 3 plus n equal to 9, and that number is 6. So 6 is a solution. But since it's also looking for numbers such that 3 plus n is less than 9, any number 6 or less is a solution, so we write n is less than or equal to 6. We reverse the sense of the inequality. 6 is still a solution because 3 plus n is equal to 9. But now, instead of all the numbers less than 6 joining 6 in our solution set, it's all the numbers greater than 6. Any number 6 or greater is a solution, so we write n is greater than or equal to 6. And now we have 3 plus n is not equal to 9. Well, if you were taking a test and you only had to come up with one right answer, it would be hard to get this problem wrong, because the only number that makes this problem incorrect is 6. N can be any number except 6. So we write n is not equal to 6. This lesson presented open sentences. Equations are often open sentences, and the equal sign is used. Inequalities are often open sentences. The following 5 symbols are used. Is less than, is greater than, is less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to, and is not equal to.